Alright guys, here's the chrome eye fan. Totally mirrored acrylic blades, I'm guessing. In chrome housing. Much like the brass one over there. Let me start off on low. There's a machined metal flywheel. No longer rubber, as we don't really want to risk breaking any. I think it matches nicely. You almost don't even notice it. Probably don't notice any noise either due to the fact that there's so much going on in here. Go to medium. That designer's choice over there is really cool too. Go to high. Very good amount of air as expected. I believe these have a K55 motor type in them. Anyways, there's the eye fan thing. Hope you guys enjoyed and thanks for watching.